Good morning. What time is it? Can you help me with this? I'm sorry for the delay. Could you please repeat that? What's your name? How are you today? They are enjoying a concert. We participate in a sports game. Where are you from? Nice to meet you. How was your day? I'm hungry. Let's grab something to eat. Excuse me, where is the nearest restroom? Can you recommend a good book, please? Where is the nearest market? I'm not feeling well. How was your weekend? I can't find my keys. Can you give me a hand? That's a great news. I am so excited. What's your favorite sports? Have a safe trip. How much does it cost? How would you like to spend your weekend? Where would you like to go? We want to go to the national park. I want to introduce myself. Have you ever had a pet? My favorite season is winter. What type of movies do you watch? She prefers tea. They are in a meeting. I'm sorry, I couldn't call you. We are going to the zoo. I apologize for my mistake. She learns how to cook. Why did you wake up so early? Let's go play outside. Listen to the music. Do you have any homework? Have your breakfast now. I'll call you back. What's going on here? I'll show you the way. Dry your wet hair. You may come to our house. Can you come tomorrow? Don't worry, everything will be all right. Can I have your phone number? We are enjoying the party. We are having a good time. They are singing a nice song. They are taking photographs. They are having a lunch break. We are celebrating a birthday party. Nice talking to you. I'm so hungry. The foods are delicious. I don't want to eat alone. Don't get angry with each other. They are laughing about something. Do I know you? Bye for now. See you tomorrow. You are my reason for living. Have a great day. Could you please pass me the salt? What is happening here? What can I do for you? Thank you very much. I am feeling tired today. What are you talking about? What do you mean? I did not understand. Well done. Keep it up. I am taking cooking class. Let's go for a bike ride. I'm feeling stressed out. Are you free this weekend? How do you spell that word? I'm attending a wedding next week. What's your favorite TV show? Let's take a break. How was your weekend? Can you pass me the remote? Let's have a picnic. I'll be there in a few minutes. I'm so glad to see you. I'm not feeling well today. We are really proud of you. How is your day going so far? Can you help me with this math problem? Can you lend me a hand? I need to buy some groceries. I need to fix my computer. I need to clean my room. I want more money. It is very hot today, isn't it? We are going to the playground. Do you understand me? Have a good trip. What an idea! Would you like a drink? We really appreciate it. I'm returning your call. Can you tell me what to do? It's for the best. What's your contact number? What do you want to do? Are you there? What would you like to have? Who will cooperate with you? It was nice to talk to you. Can you please repeat that? Which date falls on Sunday? I'm very pleased to meet you. Sorry for the inconvenience. Why are you upset? Good day to you, sir. I owe you for helping me move. Do me a favor. I don't have any money. Read the notice carefully. That's so kind of you. It's none of your business. I beg your pardon? Do as I say. My mind is reeling. I'll pay. I don't want that. Don't take it personally. I talked with him. Forget it. Don't worry. I hope so. Your turn. We will break but not bend. It's all yours. I'm at the office. His words have weight. Would you please speak slowly? No, I don't want it. You are my responsibility. Well done, dear. How can I go to the market? Can I ask you something? I'm sorry, I can't assist you. Do you agree with me? See you next time.